Unity keeps going. I think this is for real. Buy game is on. Still early. AMD new low set. Let's take a look. Tesla approaching. Now it's above that spot, so who knows. AMD. Amazon just sold off like that. Weird. Move this up here. Apple. Apple barely even pulling back. Look at that. Barely even pulling back. Nvidia. And here comes Unity. It's coming back down there. Let's see if it gets down there. I think I might even move up to 40 cents. Tesla at 230. 231. Coin. Oh, there's Unity, and I did get filled for Unity at 40 cents. I probably could have gotten those 30s that I was looking for. Long Unity average price 40 cents. We are looking for a push back up to this 38 level. So let's go ahead and set that. Let me move this over. Okay, let me just draw it here. That's what we're looking for. Unity coming in right now. Coin coming in. Let's see. Tesla on highs. Tesla moving. Tesla moving up. Market struggling at this 43 area. I don't like that move down in Unity as much. Now, we'll see how this reacts, but that's kind of concerning. Dropping into the teens here. And there's the stop on Unity happening. And Tesla, big dropout. I mean, we just slammed down from there. Looks like I just got wicked out down there. At 37, it did not stay down there long. What did I get? 37.02. It did not spend a lot of time down there. So Microsoft and AMD. Microsoft and AMD. Look at that 2350 level on AMD against 2390. Gonna try to get that, and Microsoft as well. Microsoft cracking as well, and AMD continuing to crack. Gonna see if I can get any up here at this 50-cent level. Microsoft cracking. AMD just going lower. Microsoft, I don't think Microsoft's ready yet, actually. Tesla coming in heavy. Amazon starting to come in. Amazon looks susceptible too. Here comes AMD. This just feels like the whole thing's about to come in. Here's AMD popping up to the 30s. I am at 47, did not get up to me. Did not get up to me. Got it there, short AMD, 47 cents. We are looking for new lows. We are looking for below 2270s. And I'll cover 2 down there, but otherwise kind of want to see what happens here if this AMD continues to come in. Amazon, Microsoft. Is this Microsoft going to come in too? Oh, this AMD popping up above 50. Microsoft. Thinking about it. That's dangerous too because it can suck right back up into this support from the other day. Tesla coming in, and this AMD is popping, still popping up. I think I'm correct on this AMD. Hopefully I'm not early, but it is popping up 70s. Not good. Not what I was looking for. Microsoft continuing. Continuing here. Look at all that selling happening down there at Lowe's. Let's start at the bottom. Google, Meta, Baba, Microsoft, Coin, Nvidia coming in, Apple. Apple was on highs. It's 10 a.m. Amazon. And this, man, this thing's very close to stopping me out here. This AMD stops up at 91 cents. Less than 10 cents away. Not less than 5 cents away now. Not good. Not what I was looking for. Microsoft. And just got stopped out of AMD here as it pulls back up in. So difficult morning here.